G'day, my name's Matt Lawrence and I'm from the WA Mack Muster and Truck Show. We put on a biennial truck show out here at the Quarry Farm. Today we've had 326 trucks, we believe. I think it's more like 350 turn up, and we've had a wonderful day out at the Quarry Farm. We're raising money for cutting-edge cancer research at the Harry Perkins Institute of Medical Research right here in Western Australia. We can't do it without our generous sponsors, Renco as our title sponsor. We have West Oz Custom Trucks as our Mack Alley sponsor, CJD as our Kenworth Corner sponsor, Mack as our bar sponsor, Great Southern Fuels as our Mega Sandpit sponsor, and we've got CJD also sponsoring our Kids Lane area. Mack trucks this year, I think it was around the 36% mark of those were Macks. The majority were Kenworths, and it's 40-something% of Kenworths, and then we had a balance of Scania and Freightliner and Volvo and all the rest. I haven't seen the official number, but we're estimating around the 9,000 mark to come through the gates today. This show is run by a committee of 8. This is something we do to unite the industry, and we want to be Australia's best community truck show. I think we're well on the way, and if we've got some energy, 2026 will happen.
Truckstock TV. Remember to like, share and subscribe. We'll see you at the next truck stop.